So I was digging through a box the other day and I came across my old original Droid, right? This is the old original here. I even got one of the extended batteries because I wore this thing out so badly. But this is actually one of the original Droids with a little D-pad and everything here. Physical keyboard. I loved this thing. I used this thing for years. I think I went through 2 or 3 of them because I literally wore them out. Still actually a big fan of this design. Would love to see somebody go back to a physical keyboard. I know I'm outdated, but this is like, I'm this much of an Android fanboy. This is the very first original Droid, right? When you boot it up, it'll say Droid.